Okay, so we finally got our new designed Redilight panel lights, and they really are a multi-purpose fitting in the sense that they still are the same width and length, so they'll fit in a standard surface frame as normal, and they'll also fit in a recessed frame. But with this new design, you don't need the frame, the recessed frame. So it's slightly different and we believe a bit quicker to install. So what it is it comes with spring clips, because not all installations you're going to use these, but in most you will. Now I just want to show you a few tricks. So this is the 12x3, obviously. Now there's 6 mounting situations for the brackets. So there's one there, and one there, and on the opposite sides. So there's 6 brackets all up. Now I'll quickly show you how easy it is to put these brackets on. So you just undo the screws. Now a little bit of a trick, because it's a bit difficult to actually put that on, is I just get a little piece of anything really, and you can just put it up in there and it just holds that up. Something else you can use is a nail, something else, but what that does is allow you to just sit that on there, and then you can just screw in the original holes, screw that back down. Try again. Trying to do it in front of the camera is a bit hard. So just nice and firm, just like that, and you can take it out. So now you can just move on to the next one, and so forth until you've got the six on there. Now I just wanted to show you these little clips, because you'll get a little packet of these with every kit, and it's just, you don't have to use them, but it is a backup. You'll be struggling to find a ceiling that is flat, and if you're having problems pulling this up flat to the ceiling, you can use these, and you can just simply replace them with a screw, and when you're in the ceiling you can tie that up, and you got that option. So you might not use these, but they are handy just in case you have to, if you have a really bad ceiling that is not flat. Okay, so we're going to install these 6 clips, and then we're going to show you how to install this fitting into a ceiling. Okay, so here we are to install the panel light into the ceiling. We've got our clips on, our spring clips on. Now the beauty of this design is, because we've got IC4 rating, we've gone to the trouble to get that, we can now put it under beams, and with this profile it'll fit, which enables you to put the light fitting basically wherever it's needed to go. So first of all, to get this in, you cut the hole obviously, just poke the cable up into the roof space, because that's what plugs into the driver. So usually put one side in first. So we'll firstly just start those clips into the ceiling. This third one. It's a bit fiddly, but you can get it. Once you've done a few, it doesn't take long. Oops. Okay, so we'll just, now with this side, take these up there. Okay, and then just let those clips, and there you go. Nice, straightforward, flush finish. So it's as simple as that.